Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today again, charcuterie, salumi, always a lot of you ask for this. And today we're going to make quite another rare salami, is beef salami. It's not very common but delicious. We need not much ingredient. Of course we need, this is about kilo and 50 grams. It's 700 grams of beef, 300 grams of belly pork, 50 grams of pure fat. This is a little bit mixed meat. It's like I use the chuck, belly and pure fat. We have 30 ml wine. Yesterday I marinated this with some cloves. This one. Later we're gonna take out. We have a teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cloves, 2 grams of black pepper ground and 2 grams of grain, and we have 29 grams of sea salt. We have some skin. I ask your butcher for this. We need some string and we need one of these to break the bubble if we need. Okay, we don't have a machine. We use one of these. I cut it and I push the meat from this pan like this funnel just to push the meat. Very old-fashioned style. Guys, now I'm going to cut quickly this 50 grams. You have to cut just like this. Easy. Even maybe it's a lot. When you cut strips and cube like that. Okay? Like this. Not more. Okay? I can show you how easy it is. You know? Do this. Like this. You know, not to be precise. To be honest, for this kilo, I think even is enough. What we need now is a big bowl. I know this is very big, but I like because I like work nice and clean. Everything inside, the fat, the beef, the pork. Now we add salt, pepper, clove, and nutmeg. Sorry for my English. I have my Zuzi in front of me with camera. She just want to slap me for my accent and pronounce. But what can I do? Like this. Add the rest of the salt. Guys, put sea salt. Gonna be sea salt. We don't use any preservative, everything's natural. We like that. We don't like hard preservative stuff, danger and not help. This wine inside, careful, I put, there was 3, it's just 1, I'm gonna find
2 hours later.
Now, guys, mix very good. Around, the mix is the very important part. Do this around half an hour, 20 minutes, take your time. When it's ready this, I show you next step. After half an hour, you know, when the meat, look, stick like that, it's good, and I wash my hands and we start put the meat in the skin, okay? I'll show you next step soon. Okay guys, ready to put the meat in the skin. In this skin, it's from today in the morning, is ready. I put a generous teaspoon of vinegar. Any vinegar. Today I have the apple vinegar, you know, but any vinegar. Just some alcohol start as well. You know, they help to kill some bacteria, you know? Okay, we do this. This is a big one. Even I can put by hand, but I don't wanna need all. But we start, okay? You know, just push like that. If you want, you can put straight away some string here, you know, but later I can sort it. I don't want to be long, I want just show you, you know, this come like this. Try to keep close like that. And later, we're gonna work out for this, all this air, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, my salami is ready. Now is another step, you know, we can cut this, cut a little bit longer, okay? At the moment we leave like that, Now up to you, you can leave like that, you can do 3 salami, you can do 2 salami, up to you. I'm gonna do 2, or even 3. No, I think I'm doing 2. And it's very important, now after this, we take some string. After this is the fermentation. It's gonna be in room temperature around, I'm gonna leave this 2 days, 48 hours, you know? Very strong, around like this. This one, there you go. We can do some ragu with that. This you can have like this, because we're gonna hang it, okay? Now, you know, all this bubble here, you know, we have to, all of them, break. But anyway, in the middle, we're going to put another string now. And this is gonna be later, after fermentation, gonna be in the fridge, because I don't have any basement. If you have a basement, it's the best way. But in the basement, you know, it's very important is the temperature. But I don't have any basement, mine gonna be in the fridge around. This, guys, is up, depend what your fridge doing, you know. I know is now is long time I do the charcuterie in this fridge, and at least I gonna leave 1.5 to 2 months, like that. Later, depend. But anyway, the salami is beautiful, huh? And now the very important guy is this, you know? Where is this? Take your time and break it. You know? Everywhere. Take your time. This is one thing very important. And when you leave when it's room temperature, put some tray underneath, because it's going to leak a little bit. You know? Guys, what do you think? Our beef salami, huh? It's beautiful. Now, I'm finished this one, I do exactly the same, and I am gonna hang in the one room where I have a radiator on, and gonna be around. For the fermentation, we need at least 22-24 degree. And later, when it's finished this fermentation, we need from 12 even to 15-16 degrees, depend but it's important the air gonna be changing the air, the refreshing stuff like that. But anyway, I'm finished this salami. I'll show you when they finish. I'm going to leave this in fermentation. Okay, guys, the 2 salami, they're beautiful. Look at it. 2 beef salami. They're gonna be delicious. Now I use this way, the bamboo stick, 1 and 2, and they're going like this. I'm gonna leave room temperature, put a tray underneath, 1.5 to 2 days. Depend how is your room. That is gonna be your challenge, okay? And see you in 1.5 to 2 days, okay? When we're gonna move this in the fridge. After 2 days, 48 hours, the beef salami look dry, very nice. I'm very happy for this result. Now, this always, the challenge is in this fridge, find the way to hanging. This gonna be in the fridge around, I'm gonna leave it around 8 weeks, but I'm gonna be more precise later. I put like this here, and I can close properly, is that. See you in 8 weeks or less, more, I'm gonna be precise next time. Ciao! Guys, the beef salami is ready. Now we're going to test it. I cannot wait. You see? Beautiful. Look at that. Black. Because the beef become very, very dark. Now, I'm curious. We try it with just a little bit of bread. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friend, subscribe on the channel, check our website, look at that, masterclass. This is the best way to try is with some bread. Oh wow, okay. Well done, Piero. This is another masterpiece. Wow, absolutely delicious. Guys, the beef salami is this. Super nice. Not nice, super nice. And we did in that fridge. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.